Passive income used to be a dream for most people. Set it and forget it, money rolling in while you sleep. But in 2025, AI tools have made that dream a reality for anyone willing to try. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can start making you money right now. These tools automate tasks that once took hours, letting you build real income streams with minimal effort. From writing and video creation to design and web development, the barrier to entry has never been lower. Stick around for the last tool. It can build a website in under 30 seconds. Let's dive in. First up is Jasper AI, a powerhouse for written content. Jasper can turn a simple prompt into a full, well-structured article in minutes. Use it to fill a blog with high-quality posts, then monetize with ads or affiliate links. For example, start a blog about smart home gadgets, let Jasper write reviews and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. You can also use Jasper to write ad copy, product descriptions or even scripts for videos. Offer content writing as a service. Clients give you a topic. Jasper does the heavy lifting, and you deliver polished articles. The real advantage? Scale and speed. Jasper lets you produce vast amounts of content quickly, making it easy to build a content empire. You're the editor and strategist, guiding the AI to create valuable assets. Whether you're blogging, freelancing, or building niche sites, Jasper is your secret weapon. It's a fundamental shift in content creation, and a massive opportunity for passive income. No more burnout, just results. Next, let's turn that content into video. Meet Pictory AI, the tool that turns your blog posts into YouTube videos, no camera needed. Paste your text, and Pictory automatically matches it with stock footage, images, captions, and even AI voiceovers. In minutes, you have a fully edited, engaging video ready for upload. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels in niches like top 10 facts or financial tips. Batch create a month's worth of videos in an afternoon, then monetize with YouTube ads. Videos keep earning for years, building a true passive income stream. No filming, no editing headaches, just efficient content repurposing. Combine Jasper and Pictory, and you've got a scalable, automated YouTube business. It's never been easier to build a media asset from scratch. Next, let's make your visuals stand out. Enter Canva Pro. Canva Pro's AI features make graphic design effortless, even if you have zero experience. Instantly generate YouTube thumbnails, blog images, and social media graphics with Magic Design. Just type a prompt and Canva creates professional templates you can tweak in seconds. Offer social media graphics as a service. Businesses always need fresh content. Or design template packs for niches like real estate and sell them on Etsy for recurring income. Canva's magic switch resizes designs for every platform with one click, saving hours of manual work. Repurpose one design into dozens of formats instantly. Build a design agency or digital product business powered by AI. Canva handles the creative grunt work, letting you focus on scaling. It's the visual engine for your entire operation. Next, let's make editing video and audio as easy as editing text. Here's Descript. 13. Descript revolutionizes video and audio editing. Just edit the transcript like a Word doc. Import your recording and Descript transcribes it instantly. Delete sentences or filler words in the text, and they're gone from the video. Studio Sound cleans up audio with one click, and Overdub lets you fix mistakes by typing new words in your own voice. Start a podcast or online course, edit in minutes, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or sales. Offer fast, AI-powered editing services to creators who hate post-production. Descript slashes editing time, letting you produce more content and earn more. Whether you're building your own brand or freelancing, it's a game changer. No more technical barriers, just fast, professional results. Now let's see how to launch a website in under 30 seconds. Meet Durable AI. Durable AI builds a complete, professional website in under 30 seconds. No coding, no design skills needed. Enter your business type and name, click a button, and Durable generates a multi-page site with images, service descriptions, and contact forms. Customize anything, but the heavy lifting is done for you. Use Durable to launch your own business site instantly, perfect for showcasing your AI-powered services. Or sell websites to local businesses that need a modern online presence. Generate a demo site in minutes, offer customization, and charge a setup fee plus a monthly retainer. Manage dozens of client sites with minimal effort. Durable removes the tech barrier, letting anyone start an online business or agency. It's the final piece for building a fully automated AI-powered income machine. No more excuses, just results. That's 5 AI tools to start making passive income in 2025. Use them as a system to automate content, video, design, editing, and websites. The future belongs to those who leverage AI to work smarter, not harder. You don't need to be a writer, designer, or coder, just the one who directs the AI. The opportunities are bigger than ever. Will you take action? Check the links in the description to try these tools for yourself. Subscribe for more AI money-making strategies. Thanks for watching.